So make it take so long.
The shop's quite far, don't you remember?
Far. Bang Google say take 1 hour. Back in a few days, a hot last we used to use. And a 3 minutes used to take with. So comes now me got a doctor and him tell me say me have arthritis in my fallopian tube. Me need them. Come man, give me the bag. Me did tell you say me want this.
No, but there was some change left over.
So your next one there.
It's in there.
Come find it. Find it. Find it. Hey, that pit me. Wait there. Eh? Wait there. Move, man. Every day me get up and me a pray, you know. Don't want to put man on this little pit. I look how me send the little pit if I go buy it sitting them. And the pit come back with a bag of fuckery. Tell us I want come on and go. It's on a common people. And no common sense. What I shop and go buy some shame and ambition.
Okay.